Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just surprise you: the unexpected financial wisdom hidden within classic board games. Remember those rainy afternoons spent huddled around the dining table, rolling dice and trading properties? Well, those nostalgic moments weren't just about fun. They were also packed with valuable lessons that can help us navigate our financial lives today. In this episode, we'll explore how games like Monopoly, the Game of Life, Risk, and Clue can teach us essential financial principles. From understanding the importance of investment and risk management to the art of negotiation and strategic planning, these beloved games offer insights that are surprisingly relevant in our modern financial landscape. We'll break down key lessons from each game, showing you how they can be applied to real-life financial decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to manage your budget, there's something here for everyone. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and get ready to reminisce about those cherished game nights. You might find that the strategies you learned while playing can actually help you make smarter financial choices today. Join us as we uncover the quirky yet profound financial wisdom that lies within these timeless classics. Let's roll the dice on financial literacy together. Monopoly is more than just a game of chance. It's a masterclass in real estate investment and financial strategy. At its core, the game revolves around property acquisition and management, teaching players the significance of making informed decisions about where to invest their resources. As you navigate the board, the goal is clear: buy properties, develop them, and ultimately create a monopoly that generates income. This mirrors real-world real estate investing, where location and property management can make or break your financial success. One of the most compelling aspects of Monopoly is how it illustrates the risks and rewards of investment. Players must weigh the potential benefits of purchasing a property against the costs involved, such as mortgage payments and maintenance. This dynamic reflects the real-life challenges investors face, where high-risk investments can lead to substantial rewards, but also significant losses. The game encourages players to think strategically about their financial moves, emphasizing the importance of timing and market conditions. Moreover, the mechanics of Monopoly offer valuable lessons in cash flow management. Players quickly learn that while acquiring properties is essential, maintaining liquidity is equally important to avoid bankruptcy. This balance between investment and cash reserves is a crucial lesson for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of real-world finance. By engaging with Monopoly, players not only enjoy a fun experience but also gain insights into the art of investment that can be applied to their financial journeys. The Game of Life offers a unique lens through which we can analyze the financial decisions we encounter as we transition into adulthood. From the moment players choose their paths, whether to pursue higher education or jump straight into a career, the game reflects the critical financial milestones that shape our lives. Education, for instance, often leads to better job opportunities and higher salaries, illustrating the long-term benefits of investing in oneself. However, the Game of Life also emphasizes that financial stability is rarely a straight path. Unexpected events, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or even the birth of a child, can dramatically impact a player's financial situation. These surprises serve as a reminder that life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net is essential for navigating these challenges. The game encourages players to think ahead and prepare for the unexpected, mirroring the importance of emergency funds and insurance in real life. Moreover, the lessons learned in the Game of Life extend beyond the game board. Players must adapt their strategies based on their circumstances, whether that means changing careers, investing in properties, or managing debt. This adaptability is crucial in real-world financial planning, where flexibility can lead to better outcomes. By engaging with the Game of Life, players not only enjoy a nostalgic experience but also gain valuable insights into the financial choices that define adulthood, preparing them for the complexities of real-life financial management. Risk is not just a game of chance. It's a brilliant exercise in strategic thinking and resource management within a competitive environment. At its core, the game emphasizes the importance of planning and foresight in achieving financial goals. Players must carefully consider their moves, weighing the potential rewards against the risks involved. This mirrors real-life financial planning, where setting clear objectives and anticipating future challenges are crucial for success. Effective resource management is another key element that Risk teaches players. Each turn requires players to allocate their armies wisely, balancing offense and defense while considering their opponent's strategies. This principle translates seamlessly into real-world scenarios, where managing resources, be it time, money, or human capital, can significantly impact outcomes. Just as players must decide when to invest in new territories or fortify existing ones, individuals and businesses must make informed decisions about where to allocate their resources for maximum return. The competitive nature of Risk also reflects market dynamics and investment strategies. Players must adapt to the actions of their opponents, much like investors must respond to market trends and competitor behavior. This constant evaluation and adjustment are essential for thriving in both the game and the real world. By engaging with Risk, players not only enjoy a thrilling experience but also develop critical skills in strategic thinking and resource management that can be applied to their financial endeavors. Ultimately, the lessons learned in this game can empower individuals to navigate the complexities of investment and competition with confidence. Clue is more than just a classic whodunit. It's a compelling exploration of the value of information and deduction in making sound financial decisions. At its heart, the game revolves around gathering clues to solve a mystery, which parallels the process of collecting data and insights to inform financial choices. Just as players must piece together information about suspects, weapons, and locations, individuals must gather relevant financial information to achieve better outcomes in their investments and spending. The role of analysis and deduction in Clue is crucial. Players must analyze the clues they collect, deducing which pieces of information are relevant and which are not. This analytical thinking is essential in the financial world, where making informed choices often hinges on interpreting data accurately. Whether it's evaluating market trends, assessing the performance of stocks, or understanding economic indicators, the ability to analyze information can significantly impact financial success. Moreover, the investigative nature of Clue connects seamlessly to real-world financial research and decision-making. Just as players must remain vigilant and observant to uncover the truth, investors and consumers must stay informed about market conditions, company performance, and economic shifts. This proactive approach to gathering and analyzing information can lead to more strategic financial decisions, ultimately enhancing one's ability to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. By engaging with Clue, players not only enjoy a thrilling mystery, but also develop critical skills in information gathering and deduction that are invaluable in their financial journeys. As we wrap up our exploration of financial wisdom from classic board games, let's recap the key lessons we've uncovered. From Monopoly, we learned the significance of property acquisition and the balance of risk and reward in investments. The Game of Life highlighted the importance of making informed financial choices regarding education and career paths, while also reminding us to prepare for unexpected events. Risk taught us the value of strategic thinking and effective resource management in a competitive environment, and Clue emphasized the critical role of information gathering and deduction in making sound financial decisions. These timeless games offer more than just entertainment. They provide valuable insights that can be applied to our everyday financial lives. By understanding the principles of investment, planning, and analysis, we can make more informed choices that lead to financial stability and success. If you enjoyed this journey through the financial lessons of classic board games, we encourage you to engage with our content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful episodes. Give this one a like and share it with friends who might also benefit from these quirky yet profound lessons. Your support helps us create more engaging content that empowers everyone to navigate their financial journeys with confidence. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next episode.